Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're gonna go over a very important tool that will help your business a lot, which is reputation management. All right. Um, a lot of companies charge a fortune for this kind of tool, and we have it here on KENJI for you to use at no extra charge. Basically, everywhere you go on KENJI, you will see this little green button. It says check-in client, right? This is for you to send a request for your client so they can leave you a review. Cool? And all the requests and the reviews will show up right here. Cool. Now we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna go to review widget, and all of the reviews that you have can be put in on your website using this code. Now we don't have any reviews right here because it's a new account, but for other accounts we usually have reviews. SMS, this is where you can customize the message that goes out to the reviews. All right, and you can put your Google review link right here so people can actually find you when they click on review, So email, same thing. Right here, you can edit it, place the link right here. This is very important if you're sending review requests. All right, so this is it for the reputation management. Send requests that look like this, and people will review you, and you'll rank higher and get more clients. All right, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.